Okay. Good morning, everyone. Student.
Good morning,
Good
teachers.
teacher.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to travel back in time, millions of years ago. Student, to discover something amazing, can anyone get what we're learning about today? The
Dinosaur fossil.
dinosaur fossil. Okay. Yes, we're learning about fossil. Fossil, a lesson time machine. They tell a story about an animal and plant that lived long, long ago. Okay, next one. Let's start with a fun game called What Left This Mark? Show you some picture. Fossil, and I want you to get one kind of creature left in behind. What is a dinosaur? A shellfish, a bird. Okay, next. Students, raise your hand if you think this a bone fossil or a footprint. What about this?นัทวัฒ
A
น์
footprint.
Oh, a footprint. บุพกร
What?
Preacher. Footprint or a bone fossil.
Footprint.
Okay, very good. Next one. Answer footprint. Okay, student, you pick a bone fossil or a footprint. ชัยมงคล
A bone fossil.
โอเค bone fossil พัชรีพร
A bone fossil.
โอเค a bone fossil next one ว้าว very good a bone fossil great guesses these are example of two types of fossil body fossil and thread fossil let's learn more about them Fossils are the remains of traces of ancient living things. They usually found in rock. There are two main types. Body fossils are parts of the actual body, like bone, teeth, or shell. Thread fossils are marks or signs left behind, like footprint or burrow or even pool. Now, how do fossils form? Let's imagine an animal and plant to the ground. What happens next? Right? If in body quickly by mud or sands, in body, in protected over time, the soft part this is appear, but the hard part high. Like bone stay, mineral replace them and they turn in stone. That's how a puzzle is made. Let's do a quick activity. I say a fossil and you tell me it in a body fossil or a thread fossil. Student, dinosaur bone, a thread fossil or body fossil.
Body fossil.
Body fossil.
Body
Wow.
fossil.
Body
Body
fossil.
fossil.
Wow. Oh, wow. So very good. Answer body fossil. Clap your hand. Footprint in the rock. Body fossil or thread fossil.
Trace fossil.
Okay.
Thread fossil.
Thread fossil next. Thread fossil. So very good. Shell. Body fossil or thread fossil.
Body fossil.
Body fossil.
Very good. Thread
Good.
fossil. Burrow tunnel. Thread fossil or Body fossil.
Dead
Trace
fossil.
fossil.
Trace fossil.
Wow, trade fossil. Good. Excellent, you fossil expert already. Now, let's turn deeper. Why do only some animals become fossil? Exactly, for fossilization to happen, we need hard body part like bone or shell, quick burial by mud or sand, no oxygen. So the body doesn't rot, pressure from layer of over time. Okay, student test. Let's finish with a quick quiz. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Number one, which of this is a thread fossil? Bone, footprint, or tooth?
Footprint.
Oh, footprint.
Footprint.
Number two, what have fossil from slide? Quick burial or will?
Again.
Number two, was hair fossil from slide? Quick burial or wind? Quick burial or wind? Quick burial
Quick
or wind?
burial.
Warrior.
Okay, quick burial. Number three, which part of animal is most likely to become a fossil?
Bone or shell.
Bone or shell?
Bone or
Bone or
shell.
shell.
Okay, next one. Oh, wow, very good, student. Great job. Today, everyone, you learn how fossil from the type of fossil and what the tell us about the part remember fossil. Who from history and you now fossil detective. Okay, thank you. See you next time.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
teacher.
teacher.
See you
Bye,
next
teacher.
time. Bye bye.
It's